Hey guys, Surgeon General here, and I'm taking your favorite game nationally. And here we are in Arizona Serb Fest asking you 15 questions that you should probably know to see how Balkan you really are. Let's go! Alright, Teta Bebo, are you ready?
I am very ready.
Do I get one phone call?
You can phone a friend. Can you get one in like 30 seconds?
No.
Alright, we're not doing it then. Alright, so number one, what is the number one killer of Balkan people?
Promaja.
That is correct.
Poisonous cevape.
No, you get proli from that.
Rakija.
I guess, but I wasn't looking for that. Number two, when you bring fast food home, what do your parents typically say?
Šta radiš s tim? Šta se to ne kući?
Pa šta je ovo? Zašto? We have food at home.
I cooked.
Do not order Papa John. It's against the rules. That's what my dad told me my whole life.
At sports games, fans yell and scream for their favorite team. Mimic how your parents yell at you.
Can I swear?
Absolutely.
Ška ti materina, Sava, šta radiš?
Ti materu.
Aleksandre, što si došao kući tako, ne nosiš jaknu, što ti je?
Ti mater! Sramota, bebo, šta si uradila?
Skrenut si s puta, bebo.
Ška ti materina.
Good answer. So what do you call a Macedonian who makes donuts?
A gypsy?
Nope, not a gypsy. I feel like you know it. It's on the tip of your tongue. A Macedonian who makes donuts.
McDonald's.
Yes, yes.
Macedonuts?
How do you say that in Serbian?
McDonald's.
Good job. All right, so there are 24 colors in a standard crayon box. What is the color of Aerocrem?
We would say brown.
And?
Crno.
Brown and Crno? Is yours expired at home?
Pomešaj ove noći crnu i zlatnu.
Biela boja?
E?
Brown.
Yeah, correct. All right, so this is a tricky question. Since houses in the Salo don't have street names or house numbers, how can people find you?
Screaming your name.
They usually just say Chiasti when you pass by their house, but I mean,
So the ambulance is going to go house to house and ask, GST!
well, that's what they, okay, trees.
You ask the neighbors. Skreni levo, pa biš ono drvo.
Exactly. All right, so if July 4th is Independence Day, what's March 8th?
8 Mart, the Women's Day.
Yeah.
What's it called?
High five.
Dan Žena. That's what it's called.
This is Women's Day. 8 Mart.
That's right. When someone asks for nasha kafa, what kind of... Hello, we're over here. Thank you for joining us. When someone asks for nasha kafa, what do they really mean? What type of coffee?
Black coffee.
No.
White coffee.
No. Pedro, you're so f***ing white, it's ridiculous.
I'm sorry.
Turska.
That is correct.
Turska.
That is correct. When you tell a non-Serb you're Serbian, what country do they think you're from?
Siberia/Syria.
Yeah, that's right. You got both answers correct. Good job.
Yugoslavia.
No one knows what Yugoslavia is in this day and age.
Siberia.
Syria, what the
Or Syria. All right, so fill in the blank. Blank tope se planine.
Oh my god.
It's a song.
I know.
something more.
Yes. Oh yeah. But bonus question, who sings it?
Goran More.
Who?
I don't know, Gori More, Goran.
Goran More sings Gori More. Got it. All right, so how do you say "do not bother me" in Serblish?
Don't smetaj mene.
Nemoj da me baderuješ.
Exactly the answer I had. Exactly. Solve this riddle. I'm as stylish as you want me to be. I sting when I'm whipped. I come around when you feel threatened. What am I?
Baba Roga.
My mom?
Holding what?
A Shiba?
The Sheba.
Like a stick.
Oh, I was looking for belt, but I'll accept stick.
That's my dad.
Oh, your dad holds the belt.
Yes.
Guys.
Yes.
A belt.
Yes. One, baby. Yes. All right, so sarma and cevape are two famous Balkan dishes. Name one thing your mom makes that you hate.
Pasulj.
I don't like sarma, but
Excuse me?
Piktija.
Žigarica.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna answer that. My mom's in the hole.
After eating a bunch of food, what do Balkan people typically say to you?
Ubi me.
Što nisi jela još?
Yes. Nisi ništa jela. The stinky leg and the twerk are all famous dance moves. Show me how you call.
Ajde! Ajmo Zulfo!
That is a cha-chuck. Oh, man down.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general. And Facebook and Twitter at surgeongeneral.